Big up everybody, big up everybody. Welcome back to another chat session, Jamaican Chat. Big up everybody. Before we get into the topic, may I beg everybody, like, share, subscribe to my channel. Please, yesterday I did 30 other way over here and the thing build up. It build up people. 50 odd over here, 50 odd away over here now, and we'll grow. we'll grow. So yeah, that topic here wide and is a reason for the thumbnail because as I say, a Serpy what I got talk about. Politricks Watch. I go through and I watch couple of video them and I not gonna lie. I be a positive. You know, you gotta have couple of them video there, but may I tell you, based on what Mr. Serpy do, and him take it on by himself. You understand? Him take it on by himself. So me have to rate that. Me have to respect that. Big up yourself, Serpy. And let me tell you, the next reason why you have to big him up is because him can't go to people and tell them, say like, subscribe to my channel and them some of them. Can't do that. Him have to literally do what him feel and know what him feel and do him videos and get honest persons for subscribe to him channel and get honest likes and whatever. Serpy, he has a channel wherein he has to kind of remain sort of hidden, right? Because there are a lot of different personalities in Jamaica that would not like what he's doing and would maybe want to, do him harm. So he has to create that surrounding where he has to be hidden. So he cannot go up to the average person and say, yo, subscribe to my thing. You understand? So for no say, and the man think that him almost reached 300k. That is even bigger than if you check out TVJ, CVM, them not have so much subscribers. You have to rate Serpy. Big up yourself. You understand? And before me get in it deeply, there's a thing that's going around. There's a video going around. It came out on Shabdan's page yesterday. It's about Bounty Killa. I am not sure if this is in retaliation to Politricks Watch or Serpy and so on, but it would seem so. Based on how it's constructed, based on the wording and so on, it would seem like it is a response to everything that is going on. So I'm gonna check it out and then make have a reason about it. Tell me how you feel.
Cross, great view, aggressively. It's the aggressor, killing them oppressor. Sharp done. We no answer to no one. From Kingston to Galtee Bay. Bad man, we deal with them aggressively.
Yeah, man, and that's how I Killa have to say about that. So as I say, me no know if in retaliation to the whole Politricks Watch thing or so, but if that are the case, me I go take the opportunity to say this still. Cause me did drop a video some time ago with Queen Africa did I send a message to like Bounty Killa, Joshi, some people, but she does basically I say positive music, you understand? Do positive music. Cause Bounty Killa is a man where he would basically be a grandfather and I think. You understand? Because him boss artist, we boss artist now, so he would be a grandfather and I think so. If that are the case, Bounty Killa, we don't expect you to keep up with no foolishness, you understand? Yeah. And even if it's a case where you just don't have nothing to say about it then. You understand? Yeah, man, I disrespect your thing, big up yourself, say you're the groundzilla and so on, but you for know, you see me? For do the right thing. That if I saw the case still. And it really seemed like that are the case because it's not coincidental for this come out right after that. You understand? But at that I go on, pa what I go on. So people, this is just a quick chat still. Just did want to put this out there, get some feedback on what really I go on in everything. There's a new section opening at Dunn River. I want everybody to go and check it out. It's fun and I have a little snippet and big up Loop News for that one here as well. I always have to big up anybody when I get my thing from, cause I saw the thing go. Yeah, for sure love, yeah, for sure respect. Everybody, make a clock out right here, so leave on with a little video at the end of the new location at Dunn River. When you can go check it out. Mad thing. I like the views, I like the everything while going. So before I jump out, please share, like, subscribe. Thank you. You don't know it's your boy Jamaican Chat. Big up.
Hello, my fellow Jamaicans. My name is Anela Edwards, and I am the Acting Marketing Officer for the Urban Development Corporation. I'm here to tell you today that the world-famous Dunn's River Falls and Park has a new product offering, and so that new product offering is called Take a Hike.
Starting at the Tranquility Garden, and in here, the UDC now have a package where offer stuff for like people who are come picnicking, yoga, our company will have a small meeting. Here is the place, so let's walk through. So as you can see, when you're walking through here, we start off by coming on this bridge, and we have the beautiful sound of the river. This is what goes to the falls, and one of the most beautiful things here, as you can see, look at this bridge. People can come here and take picture, you know, nice moment, smile, come with the family, picnic space. And I know a lot of people not aware of this on the trail.
The different features are the Forgotten Falls, we have the Jungle Jacuzzi, and we have a wonderful historic ruins that is called the Belmont Great House.
Alright, so one of the most important things about doing the Take a Hike tour is that people get a chance to come into the forest. So look at it, you have the vegetation there, you can hear the birds in the background like the woodpecker. I want people to appreciate that this is what protects the Dunn River. So this is our watershed. So when you're doing the tour, as you can see, we do it sustainable. We don't cut down a lot of stuff. We don't put in, we put a low footprint in here. And this is one of the most exciting things about the tour. So you get to be in nature. So we start off by the first part of the tour, where we're in the park, Tranquility Gardens, and we come up and now we are in the forest. We are hearing the birds, you see the trees, you're hearing the water, and there's a lot of special plants in here, and there's special animals, some only found in Jamaica. So when you come here, we tag the trees, our guides talk to you about it, we talk about medicinal. So it's not just only a walk, it's an educational tour, and we have very knowledgeable